Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. This is Mikit here and I'm back with a new video. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to fix WhatsApp status could not send. So if you are not able to send to your WhatsApp status, make sure to watch the video till the end. Now let's start. Whenever you try to send something to your WhatsApp status on the WhatsApp and it says could not send, there might be some problem with the WhatsApp. First of all, make sure that you have strong internet connection on your device. Due to poor connection, you might not be able to send anything to your WhatsApp status. So make sure that you have Wi-Fi connection is strong enough to send to your WhatsApp status. And if your Wi-Fi connection is poor, you can also turn on your mobile data on your device as well. Now if this doesn't still help, what you can do next is open your settings on your device. From there, tap on apps and again go to WhatsApp. Once you land on app information of WhatsApp, in here you will see storage and cache. Tap on that and again tap on clear cache. This will remove the temporary file linked to WhatsApp, which may help you to solve the error. Go back to WhatsApp and look for your issue. If that still doesn't work, then make sure that your WhatsApp app is updated to its latest version. But before that, if you haven't subscribed our channel yet, make sure to subscribe, like and hit the notification bell icon and stay tuned for more upcoming tutorials. Now getting back to our video again, open the Play Store app on your device and on there search for WhatsApp. If your WhatsApp app is missing out any updates, you will see an update option where I have open options. So simply update the WhatsApp app, and after you update, you will be able to fix WhatsApp status could not send error message on your WhatsApp. So that's all, and this is how you can fix WhatsApp status could not send on your device. I hope this video was helpful and thanks for watching again. I will see you on next tutorial.